If you've ever started a woodworking project and realized halfway through that the tools you're using are slowing you down or making simple tasks harder than they need to be, you're not alone. Small frustrations like inaccurate cuts, awkward setups, or limited workspace can add up quickly. In this video, we're taking a look at 15 practical woodworking tools you can find on Amazon that are designed to make everyday shop work more efficient, organized, and manageable, whether you're working on weekend projects or spending long hours in the shop. 1. If you need a stable surface for cutting, sanding, or assembly but don't want a full-size bench taking up space, this is designed to help. The Workpegasus 2-in-1 folding work table and sawhorse is a portable workbench that sets up easily and folds down for storage. It features a lightweight steel and ABS build, a 31-inch by 25-inch work surface at 32 inches high, and includes 2 clamps and 4 clamp dogs to help secure materials. This setup works well for DIY projects, home repairs, and general workshop or job site tasks. 2. When you're working on woodworking projects, clean cuts and controlled shaping can be hard to achieve with dull or mismatched tools. The Hurricane 4-piece wood chisel, set for woodworking, is designed for carving, trimming, and detailed DIY tasks. It includes 4 chisels sized at 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch, made with chromium vanadium steel blades and beveled edges for precision work. Each chisel has a durable high-impact PVC handle for a secure grip and comes with safety caps to help protect the blades when not in use. This set is suitable for woodworkers, hobbyists, and anyone handling home improvement or craft projects involving wood. 3. For small home repairs or quick projects, a full-size hammer can feel heavy and hard to control, especially for light-duty tasks. The Mr. Penn 8-ounce small magnetic claw nail hammer is designed for basic hammering and nail pulling around the house. It features a compact carbon steel head with a magnetic nail starter that helps hold nails in place, along with a curved claw for removing them. The plastic handle is shaped for a comfortable grip, and the lightweight 8-ounce design makes it easier to handle for short tasks, DIY projects, and general household use for a wide range of users. 4. If you're switching between different materials or bit sizes, changing drill bits one by one can slow down simple projects. The Comware Titanium Twist drill bit set is designed for drilling into wood, plastic, and aluminum alloy with quick changes. This set includes 16 high-speed steel drill bits with a titanium coating, sized from 1/16 inch to 1/4 inch, and features hex shanks that fit securely into quick-change chucks. The 135-degree tip design helps with smoother starts, and the bits are organized in a holder for easy size selection, making this set suitable for DIY users, home projects, and general drilling tasks. 5. When you're applying edge banding to shelves or panels, uneven overhang can make an otherwise clean project look unfinished. The Nekamaku edge banding trimmer is designed to trim excess edge banding smoothly and accurately during woodworking tasks. This upgraded mini edge band trimmer features stainless steel blades in a compact handheld design, making it easy to guide along edges for controlled cuts. It's built for trimming materials like wood veneer, PVC, and ABS, and its lightweight construction helps with steady handling during detail work. This tool is suitable for woodworking projects, furniture repairs, and DIY users who want cleaner edge banding results. 6. When you're making narrow or precise cuts on a table saw, keeping control of the workpiece while protecting your hands can be a real concern. The MicroJig GRR Ripper GR100 3D table saw push block is designed to help guide wood safely and steadily through cuts. It features a solid, hand-powered design with adjustable components that allow it to grip the workpiece from above and apply controlled pressure during the cut. The high-friction base is made to hold firmly on wood surfaces, and the raised handle helps keep hands positioned away from the blade. This push block is suitable for table saw users working on woodworking projects, from home shops to more frequent shop use. 7. If you're cutting longboards or moving between job sites, balancing a miter saw on makeshift supports can slow things down and affect accuracy. The PowerTech Portable Miter Saw Stand is designed to provide a stable and mobile setup for miter saw use. It features a folding steel frame with quick-release mounting brackets, an extended support system for longer materials, and an integrated wheel set to help with transport. The stand is rated for up to 330 pounds and includes built-in 3-prong power outlets for convenient tool connection. This setup works well for garage workshops, home improvement projects, and portable cutting tasks for a wide range of users. 8. For light yard work or trimming branches, full-size chainsaws can feel bulky and harder to manage in tight spaces. The Tytok 6-inch mini electric chainsaw is a cordless, battery-powered handheld saw designed for cutting wood and trimming trees around the home and garden. It features a compact 6-inch bar that helps with controlled cutting, along with a lightweight design that's easy to handle during short tasks. Being cordless allows for more freedom of movement without dealing with extension cords, making it practical for quick outdoor cleanup and household use for a wide range of users. 9. When you're handling everyday drilling or screw driving tasks, having a cordless tool that's ready to go can make projects smoother and more manageable. The Avid Power 20-volt Max Lithium-ion cordless drill set is designed for general home use, repairs, and DIY work. It features a 3/8-inch keyless chuck for quick bit changes, variable speed control, and a 16-position clutch to help manage torque for different materials. The drill runs on a 20-volt battery and comes with a charger, along with a 22-piece bit set to cover common drilling and driving needs. This kit works well for homeowners, hobbyists, and anyone looking for a practical cordless drill for routine tasks. 10. When you're cutting, sanding, or working around dust and debris, clear vision and eye protection are important for staying focused on the task. The DeWalt DPG-82 Concealer Anti-Fog Dual Mold Safety Goggle is designed to protect your eyes during workshop and job site activities. It features a hard-coated lens to help resist scratches, along with an anti-fog coating to maintain visibility while you work. The dual-injected rubber frame is shaped to conform closely to the face, and the adjustable elastic headband helps provide a secure, comfortable fit. Ventilation channels are built in to allow airflow while helping block dust and debris, making these goggles suitable for DIY projects, home improvement, and general safety use. 11. When you're cutting curves or detailed shapes, using the wrong saw can make the work slow and uneven. The Heichika 6.7 amp jigsaw is designed for cutting wood, metal, and plastic with more control and flexibility. It features a pure copper motor with adjustable speeds from 800 to 3,000 strokes per minute, along with 6 variable speed settings and 4 orbital modes to match different materials. The saw supports bevel cuts up to 45 degrees and includes 6 blades for different cutting needs, while the built-in laser guide helps with alignment during cuts. This corded jigsaw is suitable for DIY projects, home improvement tasks, and general workshop use. 12. When you're fitting flooring, trim, or tile around uneven edges, getting an accurate outline can be frustrating with standard measuring tools. The Saker Contour Gauge tool is designed to copy and transfer irregular shapes for woodworking and DIY projects. This 10-inch profile gauge uses adjustable pins to match contours and includes a locking mechanism to hold the shape in place while you mark or cut. It's made to help duplicate outlines around pipes, corners, and molding with more consistency. This tool is suitable for home improvement tasks like flooring, tile work, trim installation, and general woodworking projects for a wide range of users. 13. When you're gluing, assembling, or holding pieces in place, trying to manage everything with limited clamps can slow down woodworking projects. The WorkPro bar clamps for Woodworking 6-pack is designed to provide light-duty clamping and spreading with one hand. This set includes 4 6-inch clamps and 2 12-inch clamps, each featuring a quick change design that allows them to be used as either clamps or spreaders. They are rated for up to 150 pounds of load and are built to offer controlled pressure while keeping your other hand free. This clamp set is suitable for woodworking, DIY projects, small repairs, and general shop tasks for a wide range of users. 14. When you're setting angles for cuts or checking level on tools and surfaces, small measurement errors can throw off the whole project. The Klein Tools 935 DAG digital electronic level and angle gauge is designed to measure and set angles accurately across 0 to 90 and 0 to 180 degree ranges. It features a clear digital display for easy reading, along with simple controls to zero out and hold measurements as needed. The compact ABS housing makes it easy to place on tools or work surfaces, and it's built to handle regular workshop use. This angle gauge is well suited for woodworking, metalworking, and general layout tasks where precise angle measurements matter. 15. When you're assembling frames or cabinets, keeping corners square while tightening everything down can be tricky without the right support. The Housolution Right Angle Clamp is designed to hold materials at a precise 90-degree angle during woodworking and assembly tasks. This 2-pack features aluminum alloy corner clamps with a single-handle design and an adjustable swing jaw to accommodate different material thicknesses. The sturdy construction helps keep pieces aligned while you drill, glue, or fasten them together, making setup more manageable. These clamps are suitable for woodworking projects, photo frames, cabinet work, and general DIY tasks for a wide range of users. That wraps up our look at some woodworking tools that can help make everyday projects a little smoother and more organized. If you want to learn more about any of the tools shown, you'll find the product links in the description below. Using those links is a simple way to support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it helps keep videos like this coming. Thanks for spending your time here, and I appreciate you watching.